Hello everyone, in this situation I will guide you to edit the photo at the koi fish park. In my workshop lighting. Then I will open this raw file image. Okay, I will first open Puppet Warp to pull this picture out. To open Puppet Warp, I have to create a new layer. At Puppet Warp it only runs on the layer, not on the background. So you will open Puppet Warp. And I will zone the areas that I don't want it to be changed to the subject's person. And the chiffon here, I don't want it to run out, so I click on it. Then I just click here. I pulled from this part. Then I will see that my photo does not have these parts broken. This is the same place, I hold it here, I pull it out. It is very quick and easy. I also want the dress to be big here, so I pull it out. Here I want to pull it out a bit. Here, I pulled it out a bit. Please note that for difficult situations, use Puppet Warp to pull. Okay. So I finished the dress part. Here before, after. The part 2 lamp. And now if you want to make the skirt more curvy, I can do it from now on. Then I'll open Liquify. First I'm going to squeeze the subject. Here I will squeeze her waist a little bit smaller. The waist of this model is already very sexy. However, when lying down, it will. That's when I saw that the skirt it flowed to the waist looked very beautiful. Okay. I will re-squeeze these skirts to make them more even. During the setup process, I also fixed it. However, it will also have places where it is not perfect. So it's always in post-production to make it more beautiful. Normally I would make the waist a little smaller. The head is the same, my head will be a little small. Okay. Then I finished the part that dealt with the shape, the hole. Okay, now it's a bit light here, now I will darken it, put it in the dark. Then now I will edit this photo. At first, I will see that this photo is a bit underexposed. So I will add contrast to it. Then after adding contrast, I see that it is brighter. My face is already bright, I don't need to increase my face anymore. The second is the purple dress, it's a bit lacking in color. Then I will choose to add color cast and I will choose to add purple. I can see that the dress is more colorful. Next, I will add more details to the dress. Full photo. This is a bit harsh, I will reduce it to about 20–30%. In this photo, it is actually very sharp. Then after I did those parts. If I want the dress to be more detailed I will continue adding details, but I will scan. Go to the parts where I want it to be sharper. Usually I will sweep the highlights up, so that it will create volume. Scan highlights, not shadows. Next, I will scan more contrast. Let these parts have a clear distinction. Then you find yourself scanning contrast on the flower it emerges. Before, after. Then continue. I will merge all these layers together. And now I will do the dodge and burn thing. You see it's different before after, right? And now I continues dodge. If you are not familiar with this block, you have to practice a lot more. I has do a lot of video tutorials on photo editing. Because it really is with such a beautiful photo. You see that there is no need to adjust. This part, I has guided many clips already, you can go back to refer to others the clips. In the skin making section, I just need to choose skin, beauty skin or soft skin or smooth skin, and I can adjust it. Then the block hitting part is an extremely important part, which we have to practice and practice. If you want to master this technique, it is also quite time consuming. Then you should practice regularly. I has guided a lot in my video clips. With this FineArt secret tool, it will help me to create blocks very easily. So how I want my photo to stand out, it depends on what I will block on my photo. Here, I hit the thigh, let it light up this part. I want to highlight any point, I click on that point. After hitting the block, I will show you again. Then you can see that just the blocking, it has changed the picture a lot. Especially the skirt part. That's why you see the dresses are always beautiful and extremely impressive. Before, after. I have finished editing the photo. The skin part is very easy. I just need to zoom in, I scan, I delete the details. I can delete these flowers. Spot healing. The grass I can make it greener. By choosing to add green. Or you can reduce the green, depending on your preference. Then I can merge again. Dodge and burn. Again, I can add a darker color by adding vibrance. Here you see vibrance, before, after. If it doesn't affect the skin, that's fine, but if it affects the skin, you can delete the skin. Then you see vibrance, before, after.